Okay. Oh, it's cold. Oh, dude. Do that, so I have to put flame in it. Oh, how did I forget the lights? So not the and you feel like falling. It's gone. I feel you home tonight. Great action going on. I have to go 7th Street. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with this.
All the stars are faded. I remember the night.
Yeah,
I
I'm
was
making
so
it right.
frustrated.
From the second rain.
Did you hear the first time? See it on my face and another lifetime's flashing by. I'm here standing in the same dress. You're in your apartment. I'm already gone. When you left, I bet you held a body closer, and I was hoping you
should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that night, you should go and love yourself. And if you think I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. All the times that you made me feel small, I fell in love, now I feel nothing at all. I never felt so low when I was vulnerable. Was I a fool to let you break down my walls? The way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Cause if you like the way you look that, oh baby, you should go and love yourself.
Wow.
And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
Star 101.3 with more variety from the 2000s.
There's even more music and more variety. Next.
Dragons are coming back into the world of Game of Thrones with the new HBO original series, House of the Dragon. Max. Each week, return to Westeros for the inside scoop with the official Game of Thrones podcast, House of the Dragon.
Dreams didn't make us kings. Dragons did.
Listen to the official Game of Thrones podcast, House of the Dragon, on the radio app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Create the home of your dreams and enjoy the biggest savings. The latest styles are waiting, and free next-day shipping brings them to you fast. It's time to refresh your living room, elevate your dining room, make over your bedroom, and bring personality and special financing for 60 months on any purchase under good credit. Celebrate the start of a new season only at the Living Spaces Labor Day event. Living Spaces!
When you buy low-quality sneakers, you always regret it. Soon, everything starts to hurt. Your feet, your ankles, your knees. And that part of you thought was still young, it hurts too. Assistance. Join AAA, America's most recommended roadside service with the highest customer satisfaction. Become a member for as little as $5 a month at AAA.com. AAA, outsmart life.
Wellendorf jewelry is magical.
When you touch it, your life will change.
You'll ask yourself,
How did they make this gold rope feel as soft and supple as silk?
hundreds of strands of gold are woven together by hand, just like the finest silk.
And when you see the extraordinary craftsmanship of their rings and bracelets,
You will know that you have seen the pinnacle of art.
Shreve at 150 Post off Union Square.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated.
Let's be real. Mopping is a hassle.
That's a cool
You have to
shirt.
fill the bucket,
Talk like
pushing a wet, heavy mop around. Then cleaning the mop when you're done so it doesn't grow bacteria. A hassle on top of a hassle. Try Swiffer Wet Jet. With Swiffer Wet Jet, you start with a fresh pad and cleaning solution every time. And when you're done, you just toss the pad. Swiffer Wet Jet. The faster, easier, cleaner way to clean your floors.
Fresh off their national television debut, folk rock supergroup Fantastic Cat is proud to present their critically acclaimed first album, The Very Best of Fantastic Cat. Galaxy Z Flip 4, I've been learning all these new tricks with my dog Finn. Like how to take the best selfies at the park. I just set my phone down, put it in flex mode, and capture hands-free pics from multiple angles. Aww. Or how to capture our training sessions for his followers. I simply wave my hand to start recording video. Good boy! Plus, the Z Flip 4 is compact and fits perfectly in my pocket.
Visit Samsung.com today to get the new Galaxy Z Flip 4.
JCPenney is helping hardworking families across America save even